Okay, so let's start. You all already know the house rules, whatever you need to do. But I think, right, guys, if you have any questions, just raise your hand or you can just unmute yourself. Okay, in case I'm teaching and I didn't see your raise hand function or something. Okay, so let's start. Three things that we're doing today. Mm, vocab, close, visual text, and of course, situational writing. Three things. So firstly, we go to vocabulary close. Okay, there will be 5 questions, right? So you guys just do the same thing, the same drills that we've been doing. Read the question and then put in the answer. So this is the first question. Question one, can you read and then within 1 minute, everyone put in your answer. Okay, I think mostly have put in. So for question one, there was an old owl who lived in an oak tree. Every day he observed incidents that occurred around him. So basically, another word to replace old, of course, is definitely not young. It's not the antonym. It's a synonym. Wait, what happened to the pen? Okay, so this one is not young. Definitely not childish. Greenhorn is like somebody that is new. Hang on, yeah. Okay, greenhorn is like a newbie. Okay, so in case you guys did not know the meaning of greenhorn yet, so it's basically a newbie. And of course, the answer will be elderly. Okay, the old owl, the elderly owls. The answer is one. The answer is A. Okay, which most of you already got it. A. So far, so good. All got it has A. Thank you. Next one. Question 2. Yesterday, he watched as a young boy helped an old man carry a heavy basket. Today, he saw a young girl shouting at her mother. The more he saw, the less he spoke. So what about number 2? Put in your answers in the chat. No. Put in the chat. Don't need to annotate. Guys, everyone put in your answer for number 2. He watched a young boy. Of course, it's not like as if he's staring at somebody. So cannot be stared, cannot be gazed, cannot be spied. The only one that is suitable would be observed. Answer is B. Next one, number 3. Heavy basket. What's a heavy basket? Put in your answers in the chat. D. Hello, all of you got D. Nice one. So basically, heavy basket can be a thick basket. So thick is out. So just do the process of elimination. And dense is also out. Solid is out. So the only one that makes any sense for this one is hefty. So the answer should be D. Okay, 4. Can you read the text for 1 minute and put in your answer for question number 4? Okay, all of you have put in your answer as D. Now, as the days went on, he spoke less but heard more. The old owl heard people talking and telling stories. He heard a woman saying an elephant jumped over a fence. He heard a man saying he had never made a mistake. So mistake will definitely be this word here, which is error. Hang on, yeah. This pen is okay. Oh, whoops. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Okay, so question 5. Can you read and put in your answer for 5? You meant D. Okay. Okay. So for question 5, the old owl had seen and heard what happened to people. There were some who became better, some who became worse, but the old owl in the tree had become more wise each day and every day. So basically, of course, wise is something positive here. Hang on. Okay, so basically, positive would not be silly, will not be brazen, it would not be foolish. The only positive one here would be clever. So the answer would be 2. Sorry, P. Okay, so I think you guys got it. Yeah. Okay, hang on, yeah. Okay, so we are done with the first one already. All settled. All done. Like I said, computer is a bit lagging today. So 1 second. Okay, so vocabulary close done. Now let's do visual text. Okay, I need you to take 1 minute to read this. Give me a minute while I try to fix all my gadgets here, okay? So you guys take 1 minute to read this first. Still got 30 more seconds to read this on We Care Funfair. Okay, if you're still reading, right? Just look at the question first. I'll go back to that poster in the beach, okay? So why is the word care written entirely in capital letters? Why is it in capital letters? Okay, so see poster. See here, why is it in caps? Okay, put in your answers for question number 6. Guys can put in the chat your answer for question number 6, okay? Somebody asked about the Zoom ID. Can you check with the admin for that? Okay, but for the rest of you, do question number 6 first. Okay, it's formed from the first letters of other words, so it's A. So C-A-R-E. So basically, it's an acronym. Oh, wait, yeah, hang on. Why is my pen not working well today? But okay, hang on, yeah. Yeah, it's A. Okay, done. Finally. Sorry, I have to keep turning because it's the green. Oh, thank you so much for the answer there. Okay. Right, let's look at the next one. Question number 7. Let's look at question number 7. What does the word inaugural in the first paragraph refer to? Inaugural. First paragraph. Where is the first paragraph? Here, what does it refer to? Spot here. Can you put your answers in the chat? Thanks, Emma. Very fast. Okay. The rest of you, can you put in your answers in the chat? Inaugural. Okay, yes. Whenever you see the word inaugural, the collocation would be first. Okay, so it will be B. Inaugural is like the first attempt at doing something, so it's B. Okay, so guys, just remember that inaugural means